7 years ago, I built this company around household management systems, and I still believe those systems are essential. They create organization, documentation, and consistency. But over time, something became impossible to ignore. House management systems are only a fraction of what it takes to run a high performing estate because the real challenges in private service are rarely about household inventories and maintenance schedules. It's about the people, the leadership, communication, and decision making, and aligning operations with the expectations of the principals and the family offices, particularly for directors of residences and estate managers responsible for managing multiple staffed homes. And that's where I saw a gap in our industry. There are excellent resources that teach service, and there are systems to help manage homes, but I couldn't find anything to support the layer above that. The leadership structure, the operational framework that helps estate leaders create consistency across all of those properties to support teams effectively, communicate upward with confidence, and lead with greater clarity and accountability. Because leading a multi property estate portfolio requires something very different than managing household tasks. That's what I've been building, and that work became Frame, an operational governance framework designed to support leadership side of private service. I can't wait to share this with you. Stay tuned.